welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily if you don't know me. Today I want to share with you all a haul from Five Below. This is actually one of my first times going to Five Below. I've been there a couple times, but this is the first time I gotten several things that I really liked. So everything was under $5. It's an amazing price. They have so many cute home decor items, so trendy, and some things are very similar to Target's like very trendy pieces right now. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and let's get right into the video and let's get started. But quickly, before I get into the home decor, I wanted to show you these two like jewelry items I got. They're actually really pretty and look way more pricey than they are. So this one is a rose quartz, genuine rose quartz bracelet that you can like adjust according to your wrist size. And this was really pretty. It was only $3.25, and I think this would be a really cute gift. It goes with tons of stuff, and personally I really like rose quartz, so for this price I thought that was a great deal. You can't even make it for that price. And these really cute love earrings, so it has love in cursive, and then it has a little like pearl heart on the top. So I like these a lot, and nickel free, so that's good. And this was also only $3.25. So some great jewelry items. They had a lot of other stuff, but this is all I got from that. Now that that's out of the way, pretty much everything else I got was home decor, so I hope you love decor like me. This is so cute. I love this. I love these. I don't know what kind of plant this is. If anyone knows, let me know. But this like hanging plant is so on trend. So this little succulent, faux succulent garden, obviously with this little spruce of lavender, I think. This is so cute, and it's just like a hanging wall shelf decoration. And I don't do real plants at all, so this is perfect for me. It has this little thing that you can just hang up, and this was $5. I love this. Next up, this wall frame, but it also stands on a desk. So this is really pretty. So it's like kind of like a 3D frame almost, which is nice because you can either like let it stand or hang it up on the wall with these two with these two little things right here. And so I love this. I love the little cactus print, and they have smaller versions of this, but I like this one, and this is the kind of gold that I wish the other thing was. I like this gold. And yeah, this holds an 8x10 photo if you want to take out the photo and put your own photo in. But this is a really nice piece for $5. I plan on keeping the photo because I love succulent plants. And then next, I thought this was fun, and you know, I always wanted one of these like a long time ago, so I was like, okay, perfect time to get a miniature one. So this is the Himalayan sea salt lamp, and you can plug it in. It's natural wood base, it says, and then it's powered by USB. So it comes in this packaging, and I think it's so pretty. This color is really nice and subtle, and it's not too orange. And yeah, the base is a wood like it says. So this is nice. It is super heavy, but it looks really pretty, and it looks very like natural and like something from the elements. So I like that. And again, $5. Next up, I got a couple of these. These have been all the rage lately, like the wicker woven baskets and trays. Like this one is so nice. It has two little handles here, so this is perfect for a coffee table. I think it could fit on a side table, but it is a little larger. So this is really nice. The quality is pretty good. It's like really sturdy. And again, this was $5. This is called the Natural Water Hyacinth Bin. I'm not sure how I did on the pronunciation of that, but this bin is so cute. I got two of these. Again, I think Target has these for like 16 to 20 bucks. And then I'm gonna throw in my random item I got, but I got this really cute alpaca llama. It has like a floral headband on it, and then it has these like little pom-poms here. But I'm weird and I'm obsessed with alpaca, and so I thought this was so cute for $5. I don't know where I'll put it, but I really like this thing for some reason. This item I think is really nice for $5 again. So it's a hanging wall shelf, but with the macrame here. I think that's nice, and you can like put one of the picture frames on it. Let me open this up for you all. Wow, it's really nice. Actually, this is my first time taking it out of the box. It's pretty, it's like a medium size. It's not small at all. This base of the wood is 12 inches, and I love the color. It's very natural and very pretty, and it's not too light. And this macrame is so pretty. Personally, like I love DIYs and stuff, but so many people have been DIYing these, and honestly, it's gonna cost more than $5. Like, I mean, maybe it'll be like $3 or $4 or $5 to make this too. Like, but honestly, I think it's gonna cost more, and it saves a lot of time. But if you do like the DIYs, I don't blame you. I think they're really fun. And then last couple things. This, I think it's really pretty again with that like light wood pattern, and I do like these little pictures they have inside. I might change out a couple. I like this one, and I like the butterfly and this. I like them all actually. But yeah, for $5, this is nice too, and you can put your own pictures if you want, or you can just put something very simple in, like how they have it here. And this is how they kind of have a sample of it being displayed. I don't know about that, but I think it's really nice. So lastly, this was a nice find. It's this cute pink vanity mirror stand. It is not metal, so let me take it out of the box for you all, but it's a really cute tabletop vanity mirror. It's battery operated. Okay, so it comes in a package like this, and this is the base. It's like those kind of like kids bowls, like that material. So it is like a nicer, like thick plastic. It's not metal though. And this is the base that you could like put your rings on, and then this is the actual mirror itself here. So I guess you can, oh yeah, and then the stand. So you would stick the stand here, and that's what it looks like. It's really nice. It still has the plastic on it. You can like rotate this, and then the lights turn on when you press the power button on it up here. I know it's really hard to see, but yeah, it's very pretty. I love the color, and it's a nice, pretty good quality material, although it's not metal or anything. And I mean, I think on Amazon these would sell for like at least 10 bucks or 15 bucks maybe. So for $5, this is a really nice price. And then these came in white and black as well. So the pink was the most popular when I was there, but they did have those options too. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know you can shop Five Below online. They do charge like $6 for shipping, but it's pretty worth it. It depends on how many items you get, and I think they have mostly everything that I showed you all still available online from what I saw, so they'll ship right to you, or you can go to your store. They have tons of stores out there. So I thought I'd just do a video and show you all the cool things that I found this time around, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this a big thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe and press the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this, and please stay tuned for my future videos. I love to do haul videos, bag reviews, tons of fun things. So please stay tuned for that, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!